Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Jabintaj. Today in this video I am giving you the knowledge about second module of data structure and application for third sem CSC CBCS BTU students. I am dedicating this video to all the students. Now let us begin. Stock. A stack is an abstract data type ADT commonly used in most programming languages. It is named stack as it behaves like a real world stack. For example, deck of cards or pile of plates, etc. See the figure. A real world stack allows operations at one end only. For example, we can place or remove a card or plate from top of the stack only. Likewise, stack ADT allows all data operations at one end only. At any given time, we can only access the top element of the stack. This feature makes it LIFO data structure. LIFO stands for last in first out. Here the element which is placed, inserted or added last is accessed first. In stack terminology, insertion operation is called push operation and removal operation is called pop operation. Operations and applications. Basic operations perform on a stack. Create, push, pop, empty. Creating stack. Stack can be created by declaring the structure with two members. One member can store the actual data in the form of array. Another member can store the position of the topmost element. See the figure. See the continuation of the previous page. Now let us see push operation on stack. We have declared the data array in the above declaration. Whenever we add any element in the data array, then it will be called a pushing data on the stack. Suppose top is a pointer to the top element in a stack. After every push operation, the value of top is incremented by 1. Now let us see pop operation on stack. Whenever we try to remove element from the stack, then the operation is called a pop operation on the stack. See the figure. Some basic terms are concept, definition I will tell. Stack push. The procedure of inserting a new element to the top of the stack is known as a push operation. Stack overflow. Any attempt to insert a new element in already full stack is results into stack overflow. Stack pop. The procedure of removing element from the top of the stack is called pop operation. Stack overflow. Any attempt to delete an element from already empty stack results into stack underflow. Now let us see applications. Expression evaluation, expression conversion, that is infix to postfix, infix to prefix, postfix to infix, prefix to infix. Parsing, simulation of recursion function call. Polish and reverse polish expressions. Reverse polish notation is a mathematical notation in which every operator follows all of its operands. In contrast to polish notation, which puts the operator before its operands, it is also known as postfix notation and does not need any parentheses as long as each operator has a fixed number of operands. Now let us see infix to postfix conversion. Infix to postfix conversion algorithm. There is an algorithm to convert an infix expression into postfix expression. It uses a stack, but in this case the stack is used to hold operators rather than numbers. The purpose of the stack is to reverse the order of the operators in the expression. It also serves as a storage structure since no operator can be printed until both of its operands have appeared. In this algorithm, all operands are printed or sent to output. When they are read, there are more complicated rules to handle operators and parentheses. See the example. The rule used in line 1, 3 and 5 is to print an operand when it is read. The rule for line 2 is to push an operator onto the stack if it is empty. The rule for line 4 is if the operator on the top of the stack has higher precedence than the one being read, pop and print the one on top and then push the new operator on. The rule for line 6 is that when the end of the expression has been reached, pop the operator on the stack one at a time and print them. See the second example. See the continuation of the second example. Then third example. In the third example, since expressions in parentheses must be done first, everything on the stack is saved and the left parenthesis is pushed to provide a maker. When the next operator is read, the stack is treated as though it were empty and the new operator, here the plus sign, is pushed on. Then when the right parenthesis is read, the stack is popped until the corresponding left parenthesis is found. Since postfix expressions have no parentheses, the parentheses are not printed. See the fourth example. When the operators have the same precedence, we must consider association. Left to right association means that the operator on the stack must be done first, while right to left association means the reverse.